Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about the recent medication errors that have occurred on our ward. We need to identify the root causes and implement measures to prevent future incidents.
That's a serious concern, Mihira. I believe one of the main issues is the high workload and stress that our staff is facing.
That's a valid point. Overwork can lead to mistakes and errors. We need to ensure that our staff are adequately staffed and have sufficient breaks to avoid burnout.
Another potential issue is the complexity of medication regimens. Some patients are taking multiple medications, which can increase the risk of errors.
You're right. We should review our medication administration processes and identify any areas for improvement. Perhaps we could implement a double-checking system to verify medication orders and dosages.
Mihira, we should also consider providing additional training on medication safety and handling.
That's a great suggestion. We can organize workshops or provide online resources to help staff stay updated on medication safety practices.
It can definitely be a challenge, Mihira, and you don't have to face it alone. There are many avenues for support when you're feeling overwhelmed. Within the school, we have excellent school counselors and psychologists who are trained to help students navigate these kinds of concerns. They can offer a safe space for you to talk and develop coping strategies. You could also talk to a trusted teacher whom you feel comfortable confiding in. Sometimes, just sharing your feelings with an adult you respect can be incredibly helpful. And of course, don't underestimate the power of reaching out to your family or close friends. They care about you and can provide a strong support system. Beyond talking, there are also wonderful self-compassion practices you can try. Things like journaling your thoughts and feelings can be very therapeutic. Practicing positive affirmations, where you repeat positive statements about yourself, can help shift your mindset over time. And relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises or even trying simple meditation or yoga can really help reduce tension and bring a sense of calm to your mind and body.